Dr. Susmita Patnaik, the counselor of the session, to address the meeting. Thank you and welcome, madam. Over to you.
Hello, good morning, and thank you, sir, for setting my second lessons in this chapter. Okay, students, let's start your class with the nature of political theory.
Mithanjali Barik, stop presenting. Yes, now my madam will present. Okay,
Yeah,
madam. Thank
yes.
you. Welcome.
Completed about the traditional theory of political approaches, and in today's approaches, we are going to about the modern approaches of political theory. In the modern approaches, what will happen? The first approaches of political behavioralisms. Ask me that what do you mean by the behavioralisms? Behavior means what? The study of the behavior of a
Hello.
Ma'am, voice is not audible.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Voice is not audible. Arpana Misra, stop presenting.
Am I audible?
Hello. No, it's not clear now. Are you in Geo network?
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, Geo network I have attached. I have linked the
Now
Is it audible, sir?
now it's audible. Please keep the mobile in that position only.
Okay, sir. So we may now proceed about the modern approaches of political theory. And in the why we have developed the modern approaches? Because in order to eradicate or minimize the deficiency that had in the traditional approaches, the modern approaches are developed. And in the modern approaches, what will happen? There are different approaches like that of your behavioral approaches, post-behavioral approaches, communications approaches, system approaches, institutional approaches. So different approaches are there. These different approaches are there in the modern approaches. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the behavioral approaches. So you know that we are having the two world war in between the 1914 to 1918 and in 1945 onwards to 1939 to 1945 onwards. So what will happen in between the two world war? So it become the less predictable to decide about the behavior of the individuals. Okay, the political science thought that if you understand about the behavior of the individual, then what will happen? There will not be any type of the war, the first war and the second war in our society. So they tried to study about the behavior of the individual, and by which what will happen, the behavioral approaches are developed. जेहेतु आम ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोचेस रे कौन थिला ना आम ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोचेस रे बिहेवियर कौन प्रकार स्टडी नथिला द ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोचेस ओनली एम्फसाइजिंग अपॉन द what that is called as the institutions, only the legislature, executive, judicial, these things are called the institution that has been developed. But in the modern approaches, what will happen, they thought that the traditional approaches have no values, so they decide.
Excuse me, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you presenting any slide?
Yes, sir.
But the slide is not visible now.
Okay, sir.
Your slides are not visible.
Is it visible now?
No, it's not visible.
Hello.
Please click on Please click on presenting now. Yeah, it will come. Let's do it.
Okay, sir.
No, it's not coming.
So the
It's
first
not
approach is that is called as the.
No, it's not coming.
Is it visible? It's
No,
not
it's not
coming.
visible. No, it's not visible to me.
Just sir, click on my second account.
Hero Sir Sahu
Sir,
presenting.
somebody else is presenting this slide.
Yeah, that is the
Yeah.
problem. Hero Sagar Sahu.
Yeah.
Don't present. Arpana Misra. Let me out or remove. I will be removing you. Arpana Misra, you are not listening. I am removing you. Don't join.
Okay. Is it visible now?
No, it's not. Hero Sagar Sahu. Hero Sagar Sahu, don't keep it in present mode. Yes, madam. Now,
Sir, may I proceed?
Now you can present. Yeah, now it is visible. Now you can proceed.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So what will happen? That due to the deficiency of the traditional approaches, that was the development of the behavioral approaches. Because we know that the history has faced two world wars, that is in between 1914 to 1918 and 1939 to 1945. So in between the two world wars, human race are so fast that they thought that if we will not study about the behavior of individual, then what will happen? There may be some havoc in futures. Okay, or there may be some outburst, maybe some disasters will be happening in future. So in order to avoid these type of events, this type of work, the story of the behavior of the individual subjects, that what happened.
Hello.
So
Hello. I can't hear you properly,
What do you
ma'am.
mean?
Sorry to interrupt you. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam, audio is not clear.
There is some network issue from your end.
Audio is not clear, I think.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Madam, please use the Jio network.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir, I have used.
Yeah.
May I proceed?
Yeah. Now it's okay.
Sir, may I proceed?
Yes, please.
May I proceed, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. So what will happen? Due to avoid the disaster of the two world war, the behavioral approaches has been developed. The behavioral approaches was developed by Charles Merriam in the year 1922 to 1930. The main focus of the behavioral approaches is to study the behavior of men and the behavior of the group. So first of all, what is the motto of the motto of the behavioral approaches? Only to avoid the outburst or maybe avoid the havoc of the two. It was the behavioral approaches as it was developed by Charles Merriam in between 1922 and 1930. The main feature of the behavioral approaches is called as the regularity, verifications, techniques, quantifications, values, systemizations, integrations. So what do you mean by the regularity? It says that the behavior of the individual in a regular basis. So what do you mean by the regular basis? Take for example, if there is one ideology that is called as that the national, if the nationalism is the ideology of the BJP, maybe called the Bhajpa, okay, and if an individual is following the ideals of the nationalisms, then what will happen? He definitely supported the Bharatiya Janata Party. Or maybe to give the second example, that will call as the minor groups. One or maybe called a group of individual, they are supporting the development of the minor groups, or maybe called as that the scheduled caste peoples. So if it will be the agenda of any political party like that of the Congress, then what will happen? The individual become the main follower of the Congress party. So it depends. Regularity means what will happen? Now it depends upon the behavior of the individual, which type of behavior he will follow, and according to his behavior, what will happen? He follows the political parties. He does not follow political party according to his name, but according to the ideas and the ideologies. So if we study about the ideals and the ideology, then what will happen? We can definitely know about which type of political party he is going to be support. Then the second one is called as that verifications. What do you mean by verifications? Verifications means what? The collections of the data that was collected from different type of the individual should be truly verified, whether the data is the true one or the valid one or the invalid one. If the data is valid one, then what will happen? The further your further steps has to be proceeded. Then the third one is called the techniques. Techniques means what? Methods. Which type of methods that you have to use in order to collect the data for the political systems, whether you are going for your you may be called as that, whether you may be going for the sample test or which type of data, it depends upon you, that is depends upon your thinkings. Then the next one is called as that quantifications. Quantifications means stratified the data, or maybe called as that placing the data according to their merit and according to the demerits. যদি আমরা ওড়িয়ারে কইলে তাকু কইবা ছান্টিবা মানে বাছি বাছি করিয়া। ओके, टेक्निक्स कहले कोन बुझछ हमें माध्यम कोचे बुझछ, वेरिफिकेशन कहले कोन बुझछ वेरिफिकेशन को और क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द वेरी द नेक्स्ट okay I will again dictate you, but just let's finish this. Then the next one is called as values. Values means what? That is called as that importance. Which type of data is giving importance to which type of the political events. So depending upon the importance of the political your events, we will have to values the data. Then the next one is called as the systemizations, and the last one is called as the integrations. We have to make the systematically structure of the data, and we have to integrate all the data, then we have to predict the event. So let's repeat again. The first one is called as the regularity. Regularity means what? The study, the uniformity in political behavior, which can be expressed in generalizations or theory in order to explain or predict. Uniformity in political behavior, which can be expressed in generalizations or theories in order to explain or predict. What do you mean by uniformity? Take just I quoted that a person. Just I quoted that a person which is the main ideals of any type of political party, that does not depend upon the name of the political party, but it depends upon the ideals of the political. Take for example, just like I quoted that from political party, if they are supporting the Nirbhaya case, and if your motto will, what will happen? What happened? So if our motto will, what will happen? If our motto okay. So don't disturb me, please, students. Then the next one is called as the verifications, verified the data, techniques, then the methods, quantifications, then choosing the data according to its quantity, values, giving importance, systemizations, integrations.
Excuse me, madam.
हाँ sir.
Hello.
हाँ sir.
Yes, the slide Slide, only one slide is there. Slide is not moving.
Slide is not?
Only one slide is going. Only one slide is displayed.
Yeah, I know, sir. I am not going to the next slide. Actually, some student is demanding to.
Okay,
Yes,
then students
yes.
are complaining. That's a rule.
No, the one student is demanding to divide the meaning of the quantifications. Therefore, there was the
Okay,
slides.
Oh, slide is okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Oh,
But the
okay,
main
then.
criticism of the behavioral approaches is that it says that human behavior are not same. So depending upon the human behavior, you cannot predict the political phenomena or the political events. Human behavior is always changing due to the situations and due to the events. So human behavior are not same. So this behavioral study is going to be developed by another political philosopher. And with the advancement of the behavioral theory, then the next theory that has been started, that is called as the post-behavioralism. The post-behavioralism, it was started by David Stern. It was started by David Stern, who says that in behavioral theory, just there is some lacuna is there. The post-behavioral theory. It was not a criticism of the behavioral theory, but it may be called as that certain type of amendment that has been added to the behavioral themes or behavioral theory. So it is otherwise called as that post-behavioralism. Just like तुमको मु पढ़ेली ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच रे बहुत अप्रोच रे लेकुना थिबा जो न्यू अप्रोचेस डेवलपमेंट हेतिला कि एठी कोन थिला लेकुना नथिला बट दे वांट टू एड सम वैल्यू आउटपुट एंड फॉर दिस पर्पस व्हाट विल हैपन द post-behavioralism was developed. The main pioneer or father of the post-behavioralism is called as the David Stern, and the main focuses of post-behavioralism is that the relevance and actions, extensions of behavioralisms, substances is more important than techniques, and they synthesize the facts and values. So what do you mean by? The first thing is that they are not emphasizing upon the action. Action means what? Just like I told you that they emphasizing upon the quantifications. Okay, they emphasizing upon the synthesis of the value. But here what will happen? They are not emphasizing upon the actions. They are only emphasizing whether the matter is relevant or related to any type of political theory or not. संग्राम सामल तमे टिके प्रॉब्लम करू जो बाबा संग्राम सामल. So here what will happen? So the first thing is called as that the relevance and action. Relevance means that this theory developed depending upon the relevance of the events, and it is not developed by the decline of the behavioralism, but it may be called as that the extension of behavioralism. And here what will happen? The conceptual is more important than the techniques. That is called a substance is substance concept the content. And the next one is called synthesize the facts and the value. It synthesizes, it makes it a mixture mixture of the fact and the values. After that, what will happen? After the post-behavioralisms, there are certain lacunas are there by which David Stern developed another theory that is called as the system theory. And the system theory is the most important one in the political theory. But I want to describe the systematic theory in a very conceptual way, not in a very descriptive way. So what do you mean by systematic theory? It says that the total political system is an environment, and in environment the demands comes from the society, and demand have different level of supports, and demand and supports establish the inputs, and the inputs becomes action converted to outputs through policies, decisions, rules, and regulations. So exactly we can understand the system approaches or system theory by the following diagrams. First one is the total political परिवेश within an environment. So in the environment, what will happen? The people have different type of demands are there. So the demands may be, what will happen? The demand may be in the form of like that of reservations, better working conditions, then minimum wage, dowry deaths. Okay. So the people, they are demanding the certain type of demands from the systems, and that system is called as that the political systems. So here, when the people demand certain type of your, they are claiming or demand certain type of your mottos or certain types of agenda, then if it will be supported by the different political parties, then what will happen? It becomes an input. Take for example, Nirbhaya case. Okay, we know that in India there will not if there is not any type of the law that will give us safe to any type of the girl, or maybe called the woman, or maybe called girl child. So there will be dowry deaths, rape, you may be called as that wife beads, etc. Different things are there in our society. So if the people, they are demanding from the political system or from the systems that they want to protect themselves, or they want to implement certain type of law for their support side, and if it will supported by the different type of your political party, then what will happen? It becomes a demand, or maybe called as that ଯେତେବେଳେ 10ଟା ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତି, ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କଣ ହବ, ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା କଣ ହବ ନା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାନେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ, ସେଟା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କଣ ହବ, ତା ସପୋର୍ଟଟା ବଢିବାରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରେ। ଯେମିତି ଆମର ୟୁଏସ୍ ର ଆପାର୍ଥାଇଡ୍ କେସ୍ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚାଲିଛି, ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ରେସ୍ କେସ୍ ଯେମିତି ଚାଲିଛି, କିମ୍ବା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟାରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ନା, ପ୍ରଥମେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକାଲ ବିଲ୍ ଭଳିଆ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ହୁଏ, ଡିମାଣ୍ଡଟା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କଣ ହୁଏ, ଅନ୍ୟ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଯାକର ସପୋର୍ଟ ନିଏ, ଆଉ ସପୋର୍ଟଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ବଢିଯାଏ, ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ କଣ, ଇଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ପୁଟିଂ ପ୍ରେସର ଅନ୍ ଦ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ସିଷ୍ଟମ। ଓକେ, ଆମେ ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଓଡିଶାରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲେ ନିର୍ଭୟା କିଏ, କିନ୍ତୁ 16 ଡିସେମ୍ବର ନିର୍ଭୟା ଆମେ କଣ କରିଥିଲେ, ସମସ୍ତେ ନିଜ ନିଜ କଲେଜ ବା ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଧରି ବସିଥିଲେ, କାହିଁକି? We are supporting ନିର୍ଭୟା। But who really said that the demand is mother, or maybe called it her friends, or maybe her relatives? Okay, from the demands, if the demand is justified, then what will happen? It will be accompanied with certain type of supports. And when both the demand and the support, they will be collaborate with one another, then it will in a process of the inputs towards the political systems. So what do you mean by the inputs? Inputs means here it provides, or it may be called as that it putting pressure on the political systems. The input from the environment, it is putting the pressure on the government, then the government is try to resolve the case, or it will be taking certain type of decisions relating to the type of demand that the, or type of your demand that the people they are agitated, or that the people have taken. Now the political system gives the decisions to different things. One is called as the policies, rules, your regulations, and the decisions. It means that the political system, it may implemented certain type of law in order to avoid the rape, or maybe the dowry of any type of, or anything else. So it may be comes in the form of the decisions, and the decisions are in the form of what? That is called as policies. The government may make certain type of policy, or the government may make certain type of rules, or the government made certain type of regulations for the or maybe called a specified section of the society. For the specified section of the society. Am I audible? The student write down, am I audible? Okay, actually someone tell me like Sudhira Charana. He told me that ma'am, you are not audible. Okay, so may I proceed
yes,
now?
Madam audible. Yes, Madam audible.
Okay. Okay.
Kshira Sagar Sahu. Who is Kshira Sagar Sahu? Please leave the meeting, otherwise don't try to present. Hirasagar Sahu, I am removing you. Okay, madam.
The government sector may be called as the policies. So, what will happen? Now, these forms of convert we know that government give the decisions to the people or to the
Again poor audio, madam. Audio is poor now. Earlier it was okay. Hello. Madam, please check your audio, please. Earlier it was okay. Earlier it was okay. Now okay. Earlier it was okay. Now it is having poor audio.
Okay.
No, it's not okay. Not okay. Hello. It's not clear, madam.
Okay.
It's not clear here, but earlier it was clear. I think that you can keep your mobile in that position. It will be better. Earlier it was okay. Hello. All the students, they are requested to mute their audio and video, because if you keep your video and audio on, this will disturb the meeting, because it will consume the data, and ultimately that will create disturbance. So please try to understand. Your video is not necessary. Your audio is not necessary. If he required, we will be asking you. So try to keep your video and audio always in off position. Otherwise, I will have to keep you out of this meeting. So please cooperate.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Now it's okay.
Is it audible now, sir?
And
Again, certain students and Jannavi Pradhan, Pankaj. Actually, I don't understand the audio.
Still there is a breaking of voice. Still there is a breaking of voice. Are you using Jio network? No, again audio is breaking now. Hello. Madam, kindly keep your mobile in some place where there is a better network, so that through hotspot you can continue the meeting smoothly.
Is it now audible?
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, is it audible?
Yes, it is audible now. Yes, audible.
Is it breaking now?
Yeah, it's okay now. It's okay now. Keep that mobile in that position, I think. That will be better. Okay, presentation is also that is showing. So now you can proceed.
Where you have written that my presentation should be the combination of Odia and English. So I will use 30% Odia and 70% English. You can check. I will write. So here what will happen? Technically the system means what will happen? It is a political system, and it is a combinations of two things that is called as the input and output. And in input, what will happen? There are two things. One is called as the demand and the support, and in the output, it is called as the decisions. Political system that is consisting of environment and the feedback. So starting with within the environment, the political system is an environment, or within the environment, the political system is there. ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ପରିବେଶ ଆମେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଥିଓରିରେ କହିବାର ମାତ୍ର ହଉଛି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ମାନେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରୁପର ଗୋଟେ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି, ସେ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡଟା ଆମର ଇନପୁଟ ହେଇକିରି थ्रूपुट ହେଇକିରି ଆଉଟପୁଟ କୁ କେମିତି ଆସୁଛି, because you know about the demand comes and where the output goes, and to whether the output is the mass output or not, so we don't know. So total system theory is otherwise called as the black box model. So it says that Priyadarshini ma'am, you are disturbing. Priyadarshini ma'am, class. Okay, students. So here what will happen? The environment creates demand. So I told you that the demand is in the form of reservation. Reservation means that तुम्हें जानी थी वो better working conditions to the maybe called as the poor peoples, and minimum wage. It means that everyone get employment, and if the demand is justified, then it is supported by the mass peoples, and it will in the form of the combination of the demand and the support, the inputs towards the political systems, gives decisions through the different type of policies, regulations, which may be called as that the output, and the output may be justified, or maybe it may be goes to the mass of the peoples through the feedback method. And if the feedback is the positive, then what will happen? It will be okay. And if the feedback is not positive, then what will again the demand comes with support, and the political system revolves one and around. Then we know that in the you may be called as that in the system theory, there is a more emphasizing upon that the structure, not upon the functions. So there is some problem. Oh, someone is there. Susmita Bhatt. Who disturbed? Yudhishthira Vera. Okay, let's forget. What will I do? Yudhishthira Vera, please. Video को बंद करो. Problem हो जाए पापा. So the next theory is called as that the structural and functional theory. In the structural and functional theory, it was developed by Almond and Poel, and the structural functional theory emphasizes that the society is a single interrelated systems. It emphasizes on the function rather than the structure, and its input functions are not the combinations of demand and support, but it is the combinations of political, social, recruitment, interest articulations, interest aggregations, and political communications. And its output is the same, just like is rule making, rule applications, and rule adjudications. Okay, so here the first thing is that the Almond and Poel emphasizing that in the structural and functional theory, nature political theory, behavioral approach. अच्छी नेचुरल पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रे बिहेवियरल अप्रोच अच्छी गोटे होची मॉडर्न अप्रोचेस अच्छी गोटे होची ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच. So okay, so here what will happen? The structural and functional, in the structural and functional theory, the main emphasis is not upon the structure, but it is depends upon the function of a certain things. Take for example, suppose a party was criticized or by certain type of the agenda, or may be called as that any political event that may be successful by adopting different type of the agenda. Take for example, this you may be called as that in the history. There is your apartheid races, or maybe called as the black and white differences are there, and some peoples they are adopting certain type of strategy or methods by which they can own the your systems. So they apply that माने देखो केतेटा जिंस रे कोन होची आमे प्रथमे मीन्स को गला पर एंड को जाउचे केतेटा जिंस रे आमे एंड को गला पर आमे मीन्स को जाउचे आमे जेतरा गोटे जिंस को सक्सेसफुल होचे सेठी आमे देखुचे आमे कोन कोन इनपुट जाको ताको आमे अप्लाई करिचे स्ट्रक्चर परे हमर कोन जे सिस्टम थ्योरी कोन हला स्ट्रक्चर पर फंक्शन बसची किंतु एठी कोन होची आलमंड कोन कहिथिले फंक्शन परे हमर कोन स्ट्रक्चर को आमे फास्ट देखिबा जो जिंस हमर होची whether the if it is the successful one then which type of the strategy that we adopted ame ko strategy ta ko ame adopted kole and here what will happen they are taking the help of input output and in the input political social relations recruitment so these things are very vast so I will not I will not deliberately or maybe precisely teach you that I think of political social relations recruitment and this but you can only write down about the input and the output just in a very conceptual way. And the next one is called as that the communications approaches. What do you mean by communications? Communications means what? It is called as that the interconnections of one group to another group. Interconnections means you know that the message is transmitted, the message is communicated. Okay, so transmissions and communication, there are the two different things. If you understand or if it is the result is the good one, then we can say that the communication is good. Just like we are taking the class, mu to class nochi, mu patha padla transmit kali, but communication is fruitful na hochi. Mu kemti jani it depends upon you. जदि तुम ऑडिबल रहा वीडियो तुमको बुझा पड़ला कि तुम जदि तुम जो मो स्लाइड्स जाको छाड़ली सेटा जदि बुझा पड़ला ए सब जाक जिंस ऊपर कोन होची गोटे इवेंट ता सक्सेस ता डिपेंड करे सपोज तुम पीएससी 1 पेपर ता पढुचो से पेपर रे मो पढेला बेलको तुम ऑडियो क्लियर नथिबो किबा तुम स्लाइड्स तुमको बुझु नथिबो जाफल रे कोन होची ना मोर रिजल्ट जो आसीबो इट इज टोटली फ्रूटलेस सो इन ऑर्डर टू making the event or any type of political event a successful one, a good communications is required. Which type of communications? It says that the communications is the interlink or it is a network or communication system which may be self-regulated and these communications should be interlinked with three types of the organ that is called as that the legislative, executives and judiciary. What the legislature makes, the executive should execute. What the executive executes, the judiciary should interpret. And these things are someone may be confused that whether the communications approach is originated by Carlos. No, the communication approaches it was originated by Robert Wiener and it is applied and developed by Carlos in political science. Okay, so we know about only the name of Carlos, but we don't know about the name of the Robert Wiener. So Robert Wiener is the originator of the theory of the communications. It says that there should be effective communication should be there in three organs of political systems and every system should be interlinked with one to another. And the next one is called as that the decisions making approaches. So what is the meaning of decisions making approaches? जेमती तमे देखिथिबो कोनोसी भी पॉलिटिकल बा तमे गोटे सपोज तमे गोटे गेम खेलुचो गेम रे कोन होची आमे सबले चेष्टा करियो वी विल बी द विनर and some if there are two players then what will happen you are the winner and the second one is the loser. Similarly the other party जो other party थिबो बा other छुआडा थिबो सी भी चाहेबो कोन I will be the winner and you will be the loser. So in everything what will happen, the decision should be taken. There will be maximum gain to you and minimum loss to you. एमाने ता अर्थ होला तमे निश्चित भाबे जित किंतु तम पय सेटा मैक्सिमम गेन थिबो एवं अन्य मानक पय गोटे मिनिमम लॉस माने ता लॉस ता बेसी नथिबो माने सपोज देखो गोटे पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रेटजी अछि so every your persons are become the the part of the political strategy. And every players wants the win-win strategy. Win-win strategy means mu चाहूची जितबी तमे चाहूचो जितबो ताले कोन होची तमरो गेम टा केबेले सक्सेसफुल हे करिवो नाही जण को जितिले अन्य जण को हारिबा को पड़ी किंतु आमे जतलो गेम टा करबा कि आमे जतलो डिसिजन्स टा नेबा आमे देखिबानी सी केमती हारिबो हमको देखिबा को पड़िबो हमको जितिबा को पड़िबो. Okay, by which what we have to level the decisions making approaches will be the fruitful one. Okay, just like there are you may be different strategies are there, the decisions makers they are adopting different strategy and by which they will be the result will be a successful one. जेमिति वर्तमान होची ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट रेस यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका तुमको ओडिया रे बुझोची जिनसडा पिला मानको बारंबार आसुची कंप्लेंट मु ओडिया रे बुझोची ले ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट रेस भीतर जो डिफरेंसेस ता आसुची व्हाइट लोक कोन करछथि ब्लैक को हेट करछथि ब्लैक लोक माने से मानको राइट पे से माने लडुछथि सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट विल हैपन द डिसीजंस विल बी देयर व्हिच शुड बी द गुड फॉर द ब्लैक and it also does not violate the right of the black and at the same time it will give will proud to the white one. Okay, आमे जेमति सपोज घरे मध्ये आमे कोन करजे गोटे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप कले सपोज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रे हमर चारिटा लोक अछथि ओके ताहिरो कोन होउची तीनटा लोक माने सपोज दीटा लोक सहित हमर पडुनी हला हेले हमको दरकार किमती से दीटा लोक को हमको काढिया को पड़िबो से ग्रुप सेठी हमें कोन करिवा इमिति गोटे नुवा लोक को ऐड करिवा जा द्वारा अल्टीमेटली से दीटा लोक छाडी देबे सेता माने यू विल बी द विनर एंड ही विल आल्सो द विनर ओके तमे ताको काढी न से निजे निजे बाहरी पड़ी इट मींस दैट ही हैज हिज सेल्फ इक्वेशंस and we are also having the self ego so both party will be the winner so this is called as the decisions making approaches so this approach is not only applicable in maybe called society but it is also applicable to the family our family ne madhya ame approaches ta apply kor so here the main advocate of decisions making approaches is Richard Sandler and he developed these approaches by Charles Lindblom and it says that political factors are largely influenced by the decisions. We know that whatever the decisions Narendra Modi is taking, it means that it becomes the political events of the today's world. Take the case of the corona. If Narendra Modi said that today is a holiday, then it will be the holiday. It means that total decisions depends upon his rationality or maybe called it intellectual. गोटे लोको के हापा चाडली कोन से decisions नहीं पारेनी गोटे लोक को डिसीजंस नेबा पई तार इंटेलेक्चुअलनेस बा तार रेशनलिटी टा को हमें कर जिमति तमर मझी रे राती 9टा बेले को 9 तारीख रे घंटी बजेबो it may be certain type of the maybe called a scientific causes behind these factors I don't know but I think that if it will happen there is the uniformity in between the people there is the creations of nationalisms. It means that we are uniting and we are standing with you. That is the political things, or that is called as the factors. So once a political leader is taking a decisions, he thought about the right and wrong, good and evils, and everything are there. Then he is giving his decisions. Then the last one is called as that we completed the traditional approaches and the modern approaches and the last thing is called as whether there is the relevance of the political theory in the contemporary world or not or whether its applications in the contemporary world or not. So in the questions or maybe in the examinations the questions comes not the it maybe comes about the relevance or maybe the significance of political theory or maybe called as that whether the political theory is relevant today or not or whether it is useful to the modern society or not. So we know that relevance is nothing but it is called as that the significance. What do you mean by the significance? Significance means it depends upon the utility from its applications. जेतले कोन जिंस को तमे अप्लाई करूछ तार उपयोगिता अछि ना नाही तमे तो सब जिंस को अप्लाई कर दो किंतु तार प्रकृत क्षेत्र में तार मेरिट अछि ना नाही तमु जेंति मते पूर्व क्लास रे जने पचारला मैडम पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी पॉलिटिकल साइंस सेम की मैडम पॉलिटिकल साइंस जति पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफी पॉलिटिकल थॉट सेम की okay so I remembered everything. So here it says that whether the political theory has its relevance or significance in the present world or not. So we know that the concept of the political theory is the combination of the two things. One is called as that the political philosophy and second one is called as that the political science. Okay, what is the combinations? One is called as political philosophy and second one is called as that the political science. If we examine whether its application is there to the present world, then we can definitely understand about the relevance of the political theory. We know that political philosophy means what? The ideals of the different political philosophers. It may be the political philosophy deals with the right and wrong, good and evils, and it may be called as a combinations or galaxy of the political thinkers. The comments of the galaxy of political thinkers, like that of Plato, Aristotle, Machiavelli, Karl Marx, etc., and etc., and they have pointed out every political philosopher. They have pointed out to prevent the ill in the society and give the remedies to the ill. तामाने कोन प्रति पॉलिटिकल फिलोसोफर जो माने हमर अछंती अरिस्टोटल हो प्लाटो हो ए माने कोन करंती प्रॉब्लम टा को फाइंड आउट करंती तापर तार प्रतिकार को देबा को चेष्टा करंती ओके सो इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द रेलेवेंस ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफी एंड द पॉलिटिकल साइंस then what will happen we can easily understand about the relevance of the political theory. So first relevance is called as that the control of social life. Okay, the control of social life. Social life माने कोन सामाजिक जीवन. Political theory it controls the life of the individual inside the society. Okay, therefore there is the need of political theory. So how could it control the life of the individual inside the society? First of all, the scientific analysis of political life enables us to understand and solve the problems in our social life. Okay, the scientific analysis. Scientific analysis means what? We are having different type of theory, like your geography, geology, then your physics, etc. Different theories are there. Take one example that is called as the geology. So if you are having the knowledge and the geology, then what will happen? It enables us to understand the causes of earthquake and give us an insight to prevent the havoc. And similar of this geology, if we are taking the help of your physics, then we can easily understand about where the electricity can be arised. If we understand about political science, then we can easily understand about the causes of the conflict and violence and the war, and we can provide the remedy not to happen in the society. Understood? So first of all, what will happen? The political theory control the society. Okay, just like I gave the example of the your geology जे पढ़ी थिबो ताकू कोन होची हमरो जदि अर्थक्वेक हैला तार कारण संपर्क रे हमें जानि परिबा एवं अर्थक्वेक न हेबा पई हमें चेष्टा करिबा. Similarly जो लोक जेमति कोनती पॉलिटिकल साइंस पाठ पढची पाठ पढले कोन हबो we try to avoid the war. We are not practicing the politics in the society, but we actually avoid the outburst or maybe called as the disruptions in the society. जदि कोनोसी प्रॉब्लम हेबा गतिबो जदि प्रकृत क्षेत्र रे हम सिस्टम अप्रोच ता पढितिबा ताहले कोन हबो कौनसी प्रकार war, कौनसी प्रकार havoc, कौनसी प्रकार pandemic, कौनसी प्रकार situation हबो नाही. जदि अतीत हमर there are different type of disasters are there. If you are going through this different type of disasters, through different type of your structural and functional approaches, if you apply these approaches in political science, then what will happen? We can control the event in our social life. Take the example of the corona also. Okay, जदि आमे पूर्वरु आमे जदि जो फेमिन जो पढ़थिला 1866, okay, if the government applied different type of your functions are there, and if we apply the structural and functional skill, then what will happen? We can easily free from the type of the corona. So political science, okay, it controls our social life. Karan moniso, we the people, what will happen? We are always fear about the events, the war, the disasters, the different things are there. By studying the political theory, we avoid this type of the practices. The second one is called as that social criticisms and reconstructions. The political theory provides the social criticisms and reconstructions. So the social criticisms means what? To criticize the society. If the society is not good or the society is the bad one, then it was criticized not directly by the political theory but by the political philosopher. The philosophers are there who want to distinguish or who want to eradicate the evils and to establish the good one. Okay, so we know that in the history there are the galaxy of the political philosophers are there. They tried to eradicate your evils and they tried to establish the good social orders. Take for example Machiavelli, okay, who is famous for the theory of the lion and the fox theory, who says that the individual should have a combinations of the lion's courage and fox cunningness. तामाने कोन जदि गोटे लोक पाखरे दीटा गुण थिबो, लायन रो जते की साहस आ फॉक्स रो चतुरता, क्लेवरनेस, then what will happen? He will be the victor. जदि ए दीटा जिंस रो गोटे जिंस थिबो, भीम पाखरे करेज थिला किंतु ता पाखरे चालाक नथिला. अर्जुन, दीटा जाको क्वालिटी, combination of both the quality. Okay, so to become a person, a victorious one, then what will happen? He should be the combinations of both the maybe called as the fox and the lion theory, or maybe called as the cunningness and the courageous theory. So Machiavelli, in one side, he give the tablet to the society. Tablet means merit point to the society, or tablet means if the doctor man tablet the prescription, right? So in the one side he gives the tablet to the society, while in the other side he described the character of man is selfish and the greedy peoples. How could you understand about a person is a selfish one and a person is a greedy one? So Machiavelli is called as that, maybe called as that the modern political philosopher. Okay, so similarly, if you analyzing about the Karl Marx, we know that the Karl Marx about he did many things for the poor people, or maybe called as that the non-owners peoples. He says that the society is divided the two classes of the people, and maybe called as that the haves and the have-not. It says that the fruits are always goes to the mouth of the haves, not to the have-not, or maybe called as that the producers peoples and worker peoples. आम सोसाइटी सब दी भाग रे विभक्त. गोटे लोक काम करती, आउ किछि लोक सेमानंग ऊपर कोन करती, निजर कर्तृत्व जाहिर करती. माने आमे काम करिबा, सपोज टेक्सटाइल मिल्स, 2000 numbers of workers are there. They are producing textiles, they are producing sari, different things are there. So by their laborer, what will happen? They are only paid a minimum wage, but maximum profits are gone not to the laborer but to the owner class. So he distinguishes between the haves and the have-nots, and the owners and the not owners peoples. Okay, and he tried to establish the theory of scientific socialism. It means that the society should be established by the equality there will not be any type of gap. So political theory is the theory, first of all, through the method of the Karl Marx, it criticizes the society and it also construct the society by bridging the gap. जो गैप टा हेची से गैप टा को फील करिकरी कोन कला सोसाइटी को से डेवलप करिया को चेष्टा करूछ. So there is the need of the political theory. The next one is called as that the clarifications of concept. What do you mean with the clarification concept? हमें जदि social criticisms टा जदि न बुझिलो म आउडे concept टा बुझौची. Take for example, MacPherson has pointed out there is the different type of the power is there. Okay, some people has power and some people has authority. If there is the combinations of authority and the power, then the person is maybe called as a hero. If a person has power, does not have any type of authority, then what will happen? He will not establish in the society. तमे गोटे गोटे सपोज गोटे सिस्टम भितरे पसुछ गोटे पियन थिबो गोटे ऑफिसर थिबो ऑफिसर पकरे कोन थाउची अथॉरिटी थाउची पियन पकरे पावर थाउची पावर माने कोन एठी सपोज द पियन इज एन एजुकेटेड पियन he knows about the system or maybe he know about the computer, but officer does not has the authority but he does not have the knowledge about how to write and where to write. Okay, so definitely what happened? The authority begs the help of to whom? To the power. Okay, if there will be the combination of two things, the power and the authority, then what will happen? There is the establishment of the society. I am not telling, this was told by MacPherson. Okay, so in every society, there is requirement of the criticisms. Then after, the philosopher has given certain type of tablets to the society for the constructions of the society. That is called the reconstruction of society. Okay. Then the next one is called as that the clarifications of concept. What do you mean by the clarifications? Clarifications means you have to clarify certain things. What do you mean clarify? Take for example, I told certain things to you and I don't know whether you understood these things or not. And if I will ask you whether you understood these things or not, then what will happen? You may clarify yourselves to me. Ma'am, actually there is some problem and there will not be certain type of problem in this. Okay, so here there is called as that the clarification of theory. Someone has written, ma'am, why you study political theory? Do you think that this type of questions that is necessary to write here? I am repeatedly tell you that your relevance, your necessity, and you have written why we study politics. These three things are the same, and I explained the answer of everything in a one answer. So don't ask this type of things that ma'am, why we study political theory? I told you na, we study political theory for this type of points. One is control of social life, the social criticism and deconstructions, and clarification of concept. तीनटा जिनस पाए हमें political theory को पढ़ुचे. Ma'am, slide is not visible. Slide visible होनी? This slide is not visible. Students, please write down. Slide is not visible. Yes, visible. And then Priti Singh, you have written not visible. Maybe you have some problem you have with you. Okay. So here what will happen? The third point that is called as that the clarification of concept. Clarification. You are having certain doubts. You need certain to clarify. You are clarifying. डाउट थिला ताले से डाउट का मैं कोन मैं क्लैरिफाई करेगा मैं चेष्टा कर फिर क्लैरिफिकेशन कैन बी डन ओनली थ्रू द पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी. Okay, so that in political theory what will happen, that the doubts or maybe the clarification can be undergone through different type of the process. And here what will happen? Through the clarification, it provides the development and knowledge to the society. And for this, what will happen? The encouragement is highly required. That upon three things. One is called as that the descriptions, second one is criticisms, and third one is called as the reconstructions. So I have wrongly written here the function, but it is not function, it is called as criticisms. Okay, so the clarification of the concept that has been done through three things. One is called as descriptions, criticisms, and reconstructions. What do you mean by descriptions? Descriptions mean scientific method. I have already told you that is scientific methods. So the scientific methods, it always believes upon the knowledge through our sense. Sense means what? Sound, smell, touch, etc. Okay, whenever we are not satisfied that these things are happened, then what will happen? We will not say that these things are correct or these are not correct. So political system says that the function is based upon the main thing, sensory organs. If it was happened, in which year it was happened? I told you that David Easton is there. And you want to prove this, whether David Easton is a person is there? Yes, just go to the Google and write down the name of the David Easton. We can say there is a person in 1950, his name was David Easton. Okay, so in every cases, we need our clarification, and the clarification is required or done through our sensory organ. Maybe your voice is not clear. Hello? Is it not audible? Hello? Okay, it's working now? Okay. So where we are? That is called as clarification of the concept. So clarification of the concept is consisting of three things. One is called as what? Description, criticisms, and reconstructions. So description means relies or depends on obtaining knowledge through our sensory organs. Description means what? The describe of certain type of event. Take for example, I saw a certain event, and what I saw when I describe the event, that comes in the form of the descriptions. So here what will happen? The description depends upon our sensory organs. Sensory organs like that of sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. Suppose when you touch certain things, then we can describe that এটা ଗୋଟେ ମୋଟା ଜିନିଷ କିମ୍ବା ପତଳା ଜିନିଷ ଆମେ କଣ କରୁଛେ ଏଟାକୁ ଆରାମରେ describe କରୁ। ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଯଦି ଯେମିତି ଆମର ମହାଭାରତରେ ତମର ଧୃତରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ଯୋ ଥିଲେ ଦେଖି ପାରୁନଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସିଏ କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ଆରାମରେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଅନୁମାନ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ। describe କେମିତି? sensory organs, touch ରେ ହେଲା। ଆମେ ଦେଖିକି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ କଣ କରୁଛେ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ଆରାମରେ describe କରିପାରୁଛେ। ସେମିତି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷକୁ ସ୍ମେଲ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣି ପାରୁଛେ ଜିନିଷଟା ମିଠା किंवा खटा। जेतु हमें आंबो बाजार रे किनुचे सेठी कोन बासना सुंगी हम जानि पछे आंबोडा मिठा अछि ना खटा अछि, by which we describe to someone that don't take this, आई एटा खटा आंबोडा। So description is totally depends upon what? It depends upon the sensory organs of a person, and it can be obtaining by our knowledge, and the knowledge is through different organs like that of sight मतलब देखिबा, sound, our smell, taste, and touch. So it requires what? To help the description process. Then the second one is called as that, which one? That is called as criticisms. Criticism is highly required to develop the political theory. If there is no criticism is there will not be any type of political theory. So here the criticisms from the great political philosophers are there, who will provide the criticisms that this type of system is not good work and it requires certain type of changeness, or maybe it requires certain type of amendments, and they try to eradicate the ills and the evils from the society by criticizing the society and giving tablets to the society for better reconstructions of the society. So this is the method of what it is called as the reconstructions. Okay, so we need to study the political your theory for what? For giving the speculative judgment, for giving the constructive judgment, for control the society, for getting the criticism of the your previous events, and by studying the criticism we can develop our political theory. So students, we are having only two questions from these units. One is called as that your nature of political theory, or maybe what do you mean by the political theory, and why we study political theory, or maybe relevance of political theory or significance of political theory. Whatever may be the questions, answer is the same one. Okay, so now again I skip to the previous slide for the repeat. If you are having any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, so we know that we are having the first slide, the meaning of theory. The second slide, the theory with the combinations of two things. One is called as that thought and philosophy, and third one, the need of political theory, because political theory systematically analyze the facts from event wise. Event wise means what? 1650 re kete thila, 1750 re kete thila, 1850 re kete thila. So this is maybe called as the from the event wise the Jyotiraj Behera don't present the Jyotiraj Behera, please video on karantu. Stop your video. There is problem. Students, you are in a MA standard and don't know that while there is the class, you should mute your audio and stop your video. Then what will happen? Okay, someone is writing here. Please say again the questions. Okay, I will repeat here. In this unit, there are only two questions is there. Dhirendra Behera, you have written not visible. Is it visible now? Write down. Okay. Then what will happen? There is two questions are there. One is called as that the nature of political theory. What do you mean by political theory? And what is the nature of political theory? Or maybe the second questions may become what do you mean by political theory, and what is the relevance of political theory? Okay, so there may be the relevance, the significance, or maybe the utility. The meaning is same. Relevance कहले कौन बुझुचो तार उपयोगिता, significance बोले तार महत्व, utility means तार उपयोगिता. किंतु आंसर टा तार कौन होबो तार सेम रहइबो. એટલે पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी जेतला हमर आसे पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी रो वर्तमान नीड टा कोन वर्तमान प्रैक्टिस रे हमर जेमति अन्य माने कोंती देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस बिकॉज़ पॉलिटिकल साइंस इज ओनली अ थ्योरी but the science subject are the practical work, so there is the need of the science subject, and political science is a art subject, so there is no need of its applications. ame loko mane am kon gonti history ro kichi applications nai karon eta already it was happened. Political science ro kichi applications nai karon eta koro eta bartaman pai tar kichi application nai ki kain ki na eta gote practical theory nai. The political science is a study or maybe is a subject where it analyze or it is a combination of two things that is called as the traditional approaches and modern approach. We agree that in the traditional approaches there is no need of the traditional approaches because the traditional approaches is combination of what? Historical approaches, legal approaches, philosophical approaches. So in these approaches, what will happen? It only emphasizing upon the history and philosophy of different type of political events. But in modern approaches, just like you take the example of your behavioralism, your structural functional approaches, or maybe called as your system approaches, okay, communications approaches. If you will take the help of this type of approaches, then what will happen? It has its great implications or impact to the society. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Jodi we know about the behavioral approaches, we can easily understand or you can easily have the knowledge about the behavior of our opposite political leader or political parties, or maybe called as that the political your state. आम जदि बिहेवियरल अप्रोच को ठीक भाव में बुझा ताले आमर कोन होची अदर पार्टी जदि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स और आमे भितर गोटे जदि ट्रिटी हैला ताले आमर मिनिस्टर जदि बिहेवियरल अप्रोच ठीक रे पढी थिबे ताले सी आराम रे कोन डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प विषय जानि पारिबे सी कोन करया को चाहउछन. So it is the study of behavior of one political party to another political party. Similarly, group. जेतलो political events आमर कोन हुए ना जेतलो धीरे धीरे group हेबा आरंभ करे. If you know about the if you study the behavioral approaches, then we can easily understand about the group of the behavior, and we can know that which type of step they are going to take. जदि आमे कहउचंती मनस्थितिविद बा साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट. Okay, psychology, how can you understand about the psychological aspect? Whenever you understand or when you are noticing about certain type of behavior, आमे जेतलो किछि गोटे बिहेवियर हमको नोटिस करे आमे कोन होचे धीरे धीरे आमे कोन से को स्टेप ता लेबा को जाउछु आमे जानि पारू. जा फल रे कोन होची जो डिजास्टर हेबा को जीवो किबा वार हेबा को थिबो किबा एपिडेमिक्स हेबा को थिबो ताको आमे धीरे धीरे कोन करू आमे धीरे धीरे बंद करिया पे आमे चेष्टा करू. So these are things what these are called as that there is the need of the behavioral approaches. So he says that there is the need of political theory, because in political theory it analyzing the problems and it explaining the causes and it maintaining the relationship between the political facts and the political values. इटा गोटे जिंस कोन हबो मैम फास्ट वीडियो मु देखि पारि नथिली. ओके मोर फास्ट वीडियो ऑलरेडी तमर अपलोड हे गेछि सेटु तमे हेल्प नियो. क्लास सरिला परे तमर जोडा जोडा प्रॉब्लम अछि मते परे डिस्कशन करबो मछले पचारिले खाली दुसुची ना नाही तमर स्लाइड ता सेडा लेखि दियो अन्य क्वेश्चन से का वर्तमान ने परे पचारि. ओके प्लीज. So here it is analyzing and explaining the relationship between the two political facts. Then if the facts one is the good one, then we can conducting the research for our further study. जदि आमे देखियो पॉलिटिकल फैक्ट्स एबा ठीक अछि ताले आमे कोन करिया आउटी का अधिक स्टडी को चेष्टा करिया. So there is the need of what? There is the need of political theory. Then to generalize a political acts or events and draw a conclusion. आम प्रति इवेंट्स को आमे कोन कर जनरलाइज करके गोटे कंक्लूजन को करबा जे कंक्लूजन एक्चुअली भलो हबो ना खराब हबो. Then two approaches, traditional approaches, it emphasizing upon what? It emphasizing upon the facts, not on the values. Values means what? Whether it's utility or not. Second one, it is not scientific. Whether it was happened or the event that was happened or not, we don't know. It was not empirically proved. And the third one, what? It totally emphasizes upon the structure, not upon the function. So that there is the decline of the traditional political theory. So with the decline of the political theory, what will happen? The modern approaches comes fast. And in the traditional approaches, we already discussed about what? 4 things: philosophical approaches, historical approaches, institutional approaches, and legal approaches. Okay, then the next thing is called as that modern approaches. Okay, see the modern approaches, to mitigate the deficiency of the traditional approaches. Traditional approaches रे जो भूलभाल जगह थिला जेमिति ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोचेस हमर को एम्फसाइज करथिला हमर स्ट्रक्चर ऊपर फंक्शन करथिला ताकू को चेंज करिया पाई देयर इज द डेवलपमेंट वर्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द मॉडर्न अप्रोचेस बिकॉज़ स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट इंपोर्टेंट द फंक्शन इज द इंपोर्टेंट the concept is important not the your concept is important the content is important प्रकृତରେ जिंसटा fruitful होउची ना नाइ the value is important and the facts is important okay then the modern approaches is required because it makes the practical study of political events what do you mean by political events second world war कोन पई हेदिला आमी जेतलो पढुचे आईआर रे what is the cause of the second world what is the consequences of second world so what will happen it will help us not to do any type of war in future so it makes the practical study of political events then it try to arrive or make solutions through the scientific conclusions then it replacing the normatism with empiricism normatism means what only to the rules and regulation and to the structure with scientific proving methods and the last one is marked by empirical investigation of relevant data we are having the characteristics of the modern approaches draw conclusion from empirical data go beyond the study of political structure it means that it not emphasizing upon the structure it goes to the political events interdisciplinary it is not only related with political science but is related with other subject also like that of statistics economics your philosophy so different subjects are there that is interrelated with one to another and the last one is called as that applying scientific methods okay students I will take 5 minutes pause so if you are having any doubts then you can ask me other after completions of my modern approaches I ask you doubts okay, any doubt if you are having that you can ask me write down in the chat box write it in the chat box if you are having any type of doubts name system approach described okay write this Kalpana Das do you want to know about the system approach okay Kalpana
how many types of approaches how many types of approaches
just ask only the questions that is useful only don't write at the step of useless questions how many approaches I told you now just take it now the system theory this theory it was developed by which one that is called as the first one that is called David Stern okay he says that the political system is inside the environment political system गोटे एमिति जिंस जोटा कि हमर परिवेश भितरे थाय तुम जेमति जानि छ इंडियन गवर्नमेंट रे हम इंडियन गवर्नमेंट कोन पॉलिटिकल परिवेश मध्ये हमर अछि एले इंडियन गवर्नमेंट रे कोन होछि हमर विभिन्न प्रकार डिमांड्स होछि वर्तमान रो कोन डिमांड होछि जेमिति हमर समस्त को एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया जाऊ गर्ल चाइल्ड को सिक्योरिटी दिया जाऊ थर्ड नंबर होछि माइनॉरिटी को प्रिवेंट करा जाऊ बाय राइट्स दिया जाऊ ओके फोर्थ जिंस कोन होछि केते जका हमर जोडा डिमांड जका होछि एले डिमांड जका कोड होछि हमर इश्यूज रु आसुछि इश्यूज माने हम जो प्रॉब्लम फेस करूचे से प्रॉब्लम डको हम डिमांड रे कन्वर्ट टू डिमांड तमे एबे वर्तमान एजुकेशन रछ तुमको कोन जदी डिमांड रहला सपोज वर्तमान कोविड पीरियड जो मानकर कोन होछि तम मानकर तो क्लास चलछि जो स्कूल जका अछि से प्राइवेट स्कूल जका जोटी क्लास होनी से माने कोन करथन ट्यूशन फीस ताको एक्सक्यूज करियो चेष्टा करछन एल दीज आर द डिमांड्स जेतरो सब प्राइवेट स्कूल जका जे क्लास हुए नी से माने कोन करथन नंबर ऑफ प्राइवेट स्कूल जो स्टूडेंट जका अछि माने मर्ज हे गेले से माने कोन करत सपोर्ट नियंती सपोर्ट नै सेडा कोन करनी पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम को इनपुट थ्रू रे से माने दियंती हला सेमिति तमरो जेमति तमु कहली डाउरी केसेस किंबा रेप केसेस हला गोटे झियो को जतरो रेप हला हमें तमरो रिसेंटली इतिश्री मर्डर केस हला किंबा तमर ओडिसा रे गोटे केस हेतिला कोन कुंदुरी कुंदुरी केस जो कहू कुंदुली कुंदुली केस गोटे हेतिला ए सब जो केस ताको जो रहउची ए केस ताको कोन होची ना प्रथमे ता फैमिली ताको डिमांड करजंती दैट वी वांट जस्टिस धीरे धीरे कोन होची ना से डिमांड कोन होची कन्वर्ट होची सोसाइटी सपोर्ट रे जेतलो सोसाइटी माने जो 10टा पीपल बेसिकली 100टा पीपल हे होचो जेतलो डिमांड और सपोर्ट रो कॉम्बिनेशन होची सेडा कोन होची इनपुट हे कि पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम भितरे पसुची इनपुट कहले कोन इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ प्रेशर अपॉन द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम टू गिव द जस्टिस टू द डेफिनेट मास गोटे डेफिनेट मास को हमको जस्टिस दरकार ताले से माने कोन करे एटा इनपुट थ्रू रे से माने कोन करे ताको मागिबे लास्ट स्लाइड शुरू करंतु देन हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ please so here what will happen the support and the demand that will goes towards the input and it putting pressure upon the political part system and it becomes the output and it goes to the form of the decisions and decisions is in the forms of the rules regulations the procedures amendments different things are there and it becomes the feedback and feedback gone to where to the mass who has giving the demands to the political system so these things are happen where so if you want to implement any type of the law regulations or anything else then this is the right way by which we can putting the pressure जदि हम गोटे छोटो जिनसटा भी हमें देखिबा ना ना सोसाइटी रे हमको दरकार ताले हमें कोन करछे ताको छोटो 4 कोनिया कागज रे हम डिमांड ता लेखि करी हमें गोटे गेट पाखरे बस पड़िया कोनोसी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन हो किबा कोनोसी गोटे ऑफिस आगरे हो ओके सो कोनोसी गोटे एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन किबा कोन ऑफिस आगरे धीरे धीरे कोन होची अन्य पीपल माने सेटा को ऑब्जर्व करंती आउ सेटा डिमांड ता धीरे धीरे कोन से सेमानकर सपोर्ट ताको नै जाय जेतलो सपोर्ट नबो कोन हबो 10 जतलो मास पीपल हेबे बा तांकर मेंबरशिप धीरे धीरे कोन बढ़िबा आरंभ हबो जेतलो मेंबरशिप ता बढ़िबा आरंभ करो इट वाज पुटिंग प्रेशर अपॉन द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम टू डू समथिंग फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्रुप हमक धीरे धीरे कोन हबो हम प्रेशर ता तापर धीरे धीरे बढ़िबा को आरंभ करे जेतलो इनपुट्स ता कोन पुटिंग प्रेशर आरंभ करो इट बिकम्स द output and output is through the decisions and the decisions is in the form of the rules regulations and procedures okay this is the totally about the system theory so main theme is that the system theory it emphasizing not upon the function but upon the structure but here the structural and functional theory it emphasizing not upon the structure but upon the function. This is the main differences in between the your system theory and the structural functional approaches. अच्छा ज्योति चा you have written main criticism रो second point टा बुझी पारने which criticism these criticisms write down the criticism Ishwar Jena you have written a beautiful questions that ma'am first slide Jyoti Chand you have written first slide means what this one decisions of behavioral approach yes ma'am okay human behaviors are not same and political phenomena cannot be predictable this one good questions Jyoti एक्चुअली मु तुमको कौन कहली behavioral approaches टा को ऊपर स्टडी करे ना द you study about the behavior of the man as an individual and the behavior of the group which consisting of the different type of the individual. Amar kono individual is a part of the is called as a man, and when individual constitute different individual it becomes a group. Okay, so whenever we want to predict about the group, first of all we have to study about the individual. जदि गोटे कोनोसी घटना ओके एक्चुअली तमे मझे मझे डिस्टर्ब करनी मते प्रॉब्लम होची सो एठी कोन होची जो बिहेवियर जो रोची बिहेवियर कोन होची 6-7 जिंस ऊपर डिपेंड करची गोटे होची रेगुलारिटी वेरिफिकेशंस टेक्निक्स क्वांटिफिकेशंस वैल्यू सिस्टमाइजेशन एंड इंटीग्रेशन जदि गोटे लोकर तमे बिहेवियर को ठीक भाबरे स्टडी करिवो ताले तमे आराम रे से लोक ऊपर तमे कोन प्रेडिक्ट देई परिबो से लोकटा ठीक अछि ना भूल अछि ओके टेक फॉर एग्जांपल suppose the minority case or maybe called as the scheduled caste case. Okay, so some people are there, they are supporting the SC and ST reservations. So they demand about the reservation of SC and ST in the political systems. Okay, so what will happen now if a certain type of political parties it focusing upon that their agenda is only to giving right to the SC and ST, then what will happen? The person they can be easily motivated to join that type of political parties. Take for another example that is called as Bhajpa or Bharatiya Janata Party. So we know that the Bharatiya Janata Party is totally a Hindu party. So number of Muslims are there. They are not supporting the BJP. They are supporting to which party? To only to the Congress party. Because which one? The Congress does not discriminate on the religion basis. The people on the religion basis. So what will happen? As India has the majority number of the Hindus peoples are there. So we only support the which party? The Bhajpa party, and the Bhajpa party win the elections repeatedly. Is definitely changed. Okay, is the majority of the Muslims are there, then Bhajpa cannot take the seats in the 1914 election or maybe in the 1919 elections. So here what will happen? The regularity depending upon the agenda, that the agenda is the issues that is taken by a particular type of the political parties. Okay, but in the criticisms it has been written that the human behavior are not same. The same thing, that is the contrary of the concept. One is called as the regularity and second one is called as the not regularity. The human behavior are not same. Yes, human behavior is not same. Today we support Musliman and tomorrow we may not support Muslims. If we will get certain type of privileges to one group, then what will happen? In the human being is totally motivated. Okay, why? You know that every human being has different type of wants. And if one want is satisfied, he will be motivated. For example, suppose जेनु पिला सब गवर्नमेंट किस प्रकार ताको लेवरेज दे देला बा किस प्रकार ताको डिमांड किस प्रकार दबे पे मेन तार लोकन को कैप्चर कला जाफल रे कोन होची जो डिमांड ता बा सपोर्ट है कि तमर इनपुट मेथड रे पसुची सेटा को इनपुट मेथड रे न पसी एटा बाहर बाहर डिमांड कोन होबा आउटपुट जब इनपुट रे ता प्रोसेस से जाई परिबो ना जेहेतु हमें ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को प्रेडिक्टेबल हमें जानछो द बिहेवियर ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग कैन नॉट बी प्रेडिक्टेबल आज अछि काली काले अछि कारण वी आर रेगुलेटेड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेंस हम बुझी सब जिंस ऊपर हमर रहउछि हमर सेंसरी ऑर्गन जाका धीरे धीरे रहउछि आज बोले ना ଆମ କହୁଛି ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଭଲ ସେ ଆଉ ଦିଟା କହିଲା ପରେ ଆସୁଛି ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଖରାପ କଣ we are changing our voices. It means that human behavior are not same. Is the human behavior depends upon the political event, so it cannot be predictable. Okay. Any other doubt? Okay, someone has written state is secular. Acha Kishore Jena, you have written ma'am, state is secular in character. Yes, article your 25 of article 25 written down that India is a secular state. Okay, but in the theory level we have the secularization, but in the practical level we are not mentioning or you are not following any type of secularization practices. Okay, I did not want to put my leg inside your fire, but I can only told you that the thing is that theoretically India believes on or follows the secular system, but practical level India does not believe any type of secular regimes. We are giving the maximum your leverages, maximum benefits to the Hindu people. We are not providing this type of benefits to the minority classes. We are providing the privileges to the SC/ST people, but we are not providing the same privileges to the you may be called as Musliman peoples or maybe Muslims one. So maybe India is in theoretical level or in the constitution's book, it is a secular state according to Article 25, but in practically it is not a secular state. Okay. Audible is not clear. Preeti Singh. Acha. Kishore Jena, good question. You talked about apartheid system. Great leader, three great leader: MK Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, and the most important is Martin Luther King Jr. But still apartheid prevalent in United States. Why it is prevalent? Tell me. Any other clues you are having? Because in United States of America, the black people and the white people, if you are comparing the quantity level, the white one is bigger than the black one. So there is a system what will happen. There is a system of hatness of the majority people upon the minority people. Whether there is already the ideas and the philosophy are there from that of your Mahatma Gandhi or Martin Luther King, but the people are not following. The white people are not following the same practices. So this is what's happened in the United States of America. Any other point? Any questions today? Second criticism. I already told you that the second criticism, political phenomena cannot predictable. Any other? How can you say, ma'am, citizenship amendment bill government provide opportunity to 6 months? Kishore Jena, don't discuss these things. Just ask these things that is related to our syllabus, that is related to our slides. Okay, I can entertain these things because I am a counselor. Having any doubts, then write down. Okay, secular or maybe it may be not secular. Depends. It is the view of you. Okay, leave it the case. Mu e bhitere pasiyaku chahuni. Okay. Any other doubt? So we completed the chapter of political theory. That is class. Not saying I know this people under article India is a secular state. I know. Systemization. Sumitra Mudulit. Okay, systemization. This one. Okay. Systemization kale kono buझुचो placing many things according to the priority. गोटे जिनस जो तुम लिखुच फास्ट प्रायोरिटी कौन बा गोटे जिनस को इन्वेस्टिगेट करूछ सेकेंड कौन फास्ट प्रायोरिटी डाटा में कलेक्शंस होचे सिस्टमैटिकली प्लेस करियर आरंभ करछ व्हिच दैट प्रोवाइड first second prior. Okay. Okay. Hello. Is it audible? Write down. Okay. Then there was a certain break. So, you have asked me about the systemization. Systemization means what? Placing the things that is more important and delete the thing that is less important. ओके जो इवेंट्स जाकर आमर इंपोर्टेंस अधिक थाए ताको आमे फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दोचु आ जोटा इवेंट्स रो तार इंपोर्टेंस न था डिलीट हमें दैट इज कॉल्ड a system the making certain thing in a very systematic way माने गोटे जिंस को आमे सिस्टमैटिकली करबा को ताको कहते सिस्टमाइजेशंस ओके एनी डाउट किछि तमर जो टोटल क्लास हैला ता भितरे फर्स्ट क्लास और ए क्लास भितरे कोन डाउट होइला को the article 14 says that the states are not denied to any person equality with the law but why student you have written that according to article 14 okay there is equality before the law okay and in article 15 and article 16 there is certain type of reservation in case of the employment opportunity okay so here we have there your Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi they have mentioned that if we are providing because India believes upon the equality okay there are certain type of caste are there like that of the Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya so these type of caste are there so they are called as that the upper classes okay and the minority caste are there like that of your SC and ST Christians so these peoples are there they are called as the downtrodden peoples so semanko upar ko if you want to upgrade this type of caste then there need certain type of reservation for them semanko upar ko utheva pai amaro Ambedkar और महात्मा गांधी को मेन ये थिला जे किसी परिमाण रे हमको रिजर्वेशन दिया जो 33-30% बा किसी परिमाण रे 27% बा किसी रिजर्वेशन दिया जाओ and this reservation is only for a limited period till they are compete with the upper classes people till there is the you may be called as that जदि जेतलो हमरो इक्वालिटी हे जिवो बा इनइक्वालिटी हमरो कटि जिवो ता परे हमरो रिजर्वेशन संस्था हमरो बंद हे जिवो I understand that we are against the reservation practices, but there is the need of reservation only to develop this type of the peoples. Any other doubt? So it depends upon the government whether he will provide the reservation or not. But according to Ambedkar, there is the need of reservations in order only to develop this type of backward classes peoples. Any other? Classical and modern political theory. Okay, Sumitra Muduli, just listen my audio that I uploaded in your link, so that you can easily understand about the classical and the modern political theory. Any other doubt? Because it is no time now to describe briefly about the classical and the modern political theory. Okay. Any other doubt? Then write down. Otherwise, I will exit. Name in the period all the castes are already 50% developed. I don't know the classes are 50% developed or not, but your government said that weaker sections are not developed, so they need a region to develop. So कौन भी पालनी बिहेवियरलिज्म रो एक्सटेंशन होची पोस्ट बिहेवियरलिज्म ହେଲା बिहेवियरलिज्म जो थ्योरी थिला सेटा केवल तार बिहेवियर ऊपर ग्रुप रो इंडिविजुअल रो बिहेवियर ऊपर अप्लाई करता ओके कि मोस्ट बिहेवियरलिज्म जो रहिला सी को कला ना तार सब्सटेंस ऊपर बा तार कांसेप्ट ऊपर सी कोला एम्फसाइज कला टेक्निक ऊपर सी एम्फसाइज कला नाही सेतले मोस्ट बिहेवियरलिज्म इज मोस्ट मोर इंपोर्टेंट बिहेवियर के दिना तम चार्ल्स मेरियम ने दिना ताकू डेवलप करके डेफिनेशन कोन कहला ना एवरीथिंग that relevant these actions should be recorded not all the action of the individual is recorded only the valid action is recorded and by the valid actions the system is done to the system of the conclusion okay sound is not clear is it audible now is it clear hello okay any other doubt I think that if I will take another chapter then you may confuse okay so next we are having theories are there that of citizenship right justice political violence but you should not be confused that these things are not coming under the political philosophy and the political thought but these are coming under only the political theories because it is called as political theory but because it is systematically studied from the ancient to the medieval to the modern one so it was placed in one thing that is called as the political theory Sukhasetra Prasad because there is difference between equality and equity and government is trying to bring equality as well as yes equity and equity government is because if it is happened if there will not reservation is given to the minority class of the people the government certain times what will happen the government is providing the reservations or facility to the minority people getting more votes it will be called as that as a party to getting more and more so that there is the merit point and there is also demerit point because what will happen meritorious students what he deserves the seat is given to the non-meritorious students okay so it is not the case it depends upon the government agenda if if you are not satisfied with the case then we can apply the system theory of David Easton in this case we are having certain demand and it should be supported and it should be in the input system and government is definitely gives the decisions the rightful decisions to us whether he continues to give the to reservations to the minority people or not okay so it's not our case it depends upon the government any other case okay you are having your assignment now do you have completed your assignment or any problem is there in the assignment level then you can chat me you can write in the chat box the problems that you are facing Priti Singh any other doubt you are having students is your class is the good one or any problem is there because in today class I am using 25 to 30% of in Odia language because number of students are demanding to speak the mixing of Odia and English you are having the problem but as you are the students of MA level so you should take the help of only English you should not take the help of Odia but due to some problem you are having facing now therefore I used what I will not I think that I will not use the ODI in the further in my further class so students try to support me so don't take the help of ODI language okay many students are there minimum 20 to 25 students are there they can't understand English but if we are not supposed to take for example behavioralism if I will utter this bebahara do you think that the behavioralism and bebahara these are the two different concepts okay so speaking in Odia the political concept is mean that it creates the disaster okay I will try but you are having any problem then write down in the chat box any other problem any issues you are having Chapriti Singh, very good. Okay. Any other issues in today's class? Costa Lagi, you are having any type of difficulties you are facing? How do you like the today's class? Any issues? Any you are not audible or anything else you are having facing now? Which problem है कि classes रे? Okay. Speed है लगी class? कारण मु आज चेष्टा करछि पूरा धीरे धीरे पढ़ाया ପାଇଁ पूर्व क्लास टा मोर स्पीड हेतिला बोली मते सर कहिथिले मु भाबिली जे आज बहुत पॉज नहीं नहीं पढ़ेबी तम क्लास रे ओके थैंक यू अनुसया नायक okay Bhuti, thank you if you are having some problem in just do one thing in my next class you should go through the slides or not slides the your IGNOU course of citizenship or maybe right chapter okay just to make a overlook of these two chapter right and your citizenship whenever I take the class then you have your sufficient opportunity to ask the questions that is related with your citizenship and right whenever you asking me any questions then मते सेटा I will feel better सेटा better करो तमे बहुत क्वेश्चंस पचारो जा परे किंतु एमिति क्वेश्चंस पचारनी जोटा कि मते मु रिलेटेड हेबी आंसर देया पय जेमति वर्तमान रो माने पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज एटा एक्चुअली हमर क्लासेस सेति लागि हम प्रैक्टिकल पॉलिटिक्स रे वी आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग ऑन प्रैक्टिकल ओके सम अप्रोचेस आर नॉट इन आवर बुक मु देखिबी तमर बुक रे कोन अप्रोचेस जाक नाही जोटा नाही तमे सेटा को ऐड करिवो ओके सो कैन आई एग्जिट नाउ
Hello.
हाँ सर
Hello. Are you listening me?
यस सर
Hello.
Okay. Thank you all, dear students. Thank you all for your participation, active participation. Thank you, madam, for your nice
Okay, thank you,
presentation and organization. So now I am sharing the link to view the YouTube videos of all the classes. So in the chat box, I will be sharing the link. You all can view the class videos of all the classes of RC Bhubaneswar. Not only for NPS class, but all the video recording of all the classes that is recognized by RC Bhubaneswar, that is there in the link. Visit the link, get from the link. So I
Hello.
the chat box, you all are requested to go through that. If you have any query, you can send
Hello,
email
ma'am.
also to RC Bhubaneswar. That mail I am writing in chat box or the chat box.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, if you have any query, you ask to madam, you can ask also.
Hello.
Yes, anybody? Anybody,
Hello, ma'am.
if you want to ask anything?
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो
I think madam,
Ma'am, this is slide. ଆପଣ ସେ slide କୋଉଠି ବି
मनोज तमे चैट बॉक्स रे लिखि दियो मते तम साउंड ऑडिबल रहउनी कोन पचार
slide ଟା ମିଳିବ କେମିତି କହୁଛି slide
अच्छा स्लाइड केमती मिलिबो मो सार को दिउची सेटो तमे नै जिवो
ଠିକ ଅଛି थैंक
ओके
यू मैम
ପିଲାମାନେ ଏବେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ link share କରିଛି video link ଟା यूट्यूब लिंक आज वीडियोटा सांगे सांगे मिलबनी टिके परे मिलिबो किंतु बाकी पुराना वीडियो सब लिंक को देखि परिबो ऊपर लिंक दिया है जी गूगल मीट रे लिंक भी दे जोटा हम मीटिंग को दे परिबो and if you have any further query you can send the queries to our Shibuan. So I have shared the email address also.
सर फ्लाइट भी सेंड कर देबे सर
क्लाइंट मैडम नदी पठे मते मु सेंड कर देबो
ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଦେବି ସାର୍।
मैडम काइंडली हम स्लाइड से शेयर करि परिबे
ହଁ
you can send to office.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଦେବି। ओके सर।
मैम प्रीवियस इयर्स रो भी प्रीवियस क्लास रो भी दे देबे
हाँ दीटा जगह पठेइदेबी। ताइरे जो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स थिला ताके चेंज करके लिखियो मु क्लास रे कहिला लो कहि छिया।
ओके थैंक यू
Thank you everyone.